What's the meaning of boyfriend? Boyfriend. Boyfriend.
Boyfriend. Boyfriend. A boyfriend is a term used to refer to a male partner in a romantic relationship. The title of boyfriend signifies a level of commitment and exclusivity in the relationship, indicating that the two individuals are in a serious dating relationship with each other. A boyfriend is typically someone who is emotionally supportive, caring, and understanding towards their significant other, providing companionship, love, and affection. The partnership often involves spending time together, going on dates, and forming a deep emotional connection. Overall, the term boyfriend represents a significant other who is committed to a loving, romantic relationship.